Squad 21, Engine 21, Station 12, Ladder 21, Pace Chiefs, Residential Structure Fire, Empire Street and A Street. Squad 21, Engine 21, Station 12, Ladder 21, Pace Chiefs, Residential Structure Fire, Empire Street and A Street. Respond on Center Attack 1.
All units responding, Empire Street. Could be smoke and flames. Possible entrapment, 2 people inside. Also 2 dogs inside. There are people attempting to get them to safety. Wooden house, 1 story. 1 vehicle in the driveway.
Squad 21, receive information.
Central Tag 1, Squad 21.
Squad 21.
Squad 21, Ladder 21 on scene. 1-story single family dwelling. Well-evolved fire. Go ahead and get me the closest hydrant to this address. Squad 21 will have Empire Command. We're going to need to find a hydrant.
Single story, well involved.
Let me get water to them.
This is going to be Diamond and Empire Street. Correction, closest hydrant, Diamond and Fifth Avenue.
How long of a lay is that?
Just stand by, we're trying to measure it. There's not a close option.
Hey! You want to see if we can hit this with a deck gun?
Yeah.
Pull the squad up and let's see if we can hit it with a deck gun. Put it on the fire. Command, Central Type 1.
Central Type 1.
Back up and pull it in the yard. Water on the fire.
Copy, water on the fire. And Diamond and Fifth Ave is going to be a 1,600 foot lay. You also have a 1,300 foot lay at 3rd and 90.
Copy. Yeah. Engine 21, in there.
Copy. Scambia 7 responding, Crow 4.
Hey, I'm good over here. Empire Command, Engine 21. We're at Diamond and 5th. Do you need us to catch a hydrant on 3rd? Or what do you want?
Just come straight in and give your water to Squad 21.
Copy, come straight in. Water, 21.
Millard! Give him water. Take water from him. Put water on it. Command, put the back on.
Command.
Engine 21's on scene. Go ahead and get FPL en route.
Copy, Engine 21 on scene, FPL en route.
Help Miller get this 2 1/4 to the Charlie side.
Alright.
Be careful, there's a power drop on that side. Miller, get this on the Charlie side. Just what? Shut it down. We're gonna move it to the Charlie side. Just watch this power drop above your head. They hit that fire. Rescue 21 from command. ETA location.
At the intersection of Temecula and Highway 90.
Copy. Go ahead and hit that closest hydrant.
Copy.
Command. Direction. Central Attack 1 from command.
Go ahead, command.
Yeah. This is gonna be a defensive fire.
Copy, defensive fire. Chief 21 on scene.
As they try to hit
Yeah, I'm
those
trying to
front
tell him to
rooms.
hit it, yeah.
Hey LT! Kill your line!
Attack 1 from engine 12. On scene.
Copy, on scene.
Search fire. Rescue 21 on scene.
Copy, on scene.
Engine 12, bring your manpower up and man this line that's on the Alpha Delta corner. It's the red line.
Copy.
Okay. Command, Engine 21 officer.
Command, which team?
Engine 21 officer, shut down your line, shut down your line. Shut down the line for a second.
Copy. Engine 21 officer, shut down the green light.